Hello, Darren Martin here from Master Magic Shop. In this video, I'm going to talk about my new format that I'm going to be doing for my channel, for my Magic channel, and that is today is going to be called Magic Monday. I'm going to be uploading videos on different Magic topics. I will have the different topics, whether they're performances, tutorials, or reviews. I'm going to have all kinds of things. Okay, Trick Tuesday. Okay, Trick Tuesday will be a format for Tuesday. Wednesday will be called Wizard Wednesdays. Okay, Wizard Wednesdays. Thursdays will be Trick Theory Thursday, where I'm going to talk about the theory of magic. Then we have Fantastic Friday, and then Surreal Saturday. So this is my new format. So look forward to me uploading videos on these days. So subscribe to the channel and click on the link, and you can get 5 free magic video tutorials now, so you can up your game of magic. Have a magical day. Keep it surreal.